If you're a solo attorney, you already know the phone is how you get clients. But there's a number most attorneys never look at. It's the number of calls that come in and don't get answered. I'm Kurt Lohman, founder of Engage Digital Marketing. I've spent the last 6+ years helping law firms get found locally and convert more of the leads they're already getting. Today, we're going to talk about what a missed call is actually costing you and what you can do about it. Let's start with the data, because the numbers here are hard to ignore. Law firms miss 35% of calls during regular business hours, not after hours, not on weekends, during the normal workday. After hours, that number jumps to 90%. And of the voicemails that do get left, 50% aren't returned within 72 hours. Law firms have the second highest missed call rate of any industry. The only industry that misses more calls than law firms is healthcare. Here's why that matters so much for attorneys specifically. 42% of clients hire the first attorney they actually speak with, not the most experienced, not the one with the best reviews, the first one who picks up. 68% of people looking for legal help make their first contact by phone, not email, not a contact form, a phone call. And 80% of those callers will move on to a different firm if they don't hear back within 48 hours. So every call that goes unanswered isn't just a missed conversation. It's a case that's walking out the door. Let's put a number on it. A solo attorney who misses just 5 calls per week is looking at roughly $144,000 in lost annual revenue. That's based on average case values and a realistic conversion rate. And it's a conservative estimate for most practice areas. Across the legal industry, firms collectively miss around 195 million calls per year. With even a 7% conversion rate, that's 13.6 million lost client opportunities every year. A lot of attorneys know they miss calls, so they set up voicemail. The problem is that voicemail isn't a solution, it's a delay. By the time someone hears your voicemail greeting, they've already decided you didn't answer. And most callers with a legal problem aren't going to leave a message and wait. They're going to call the next firm on the list. The voicemail box feels like a safety net. It isn't. The research on speed to lead makes this even clearer. Responding within 1 minute can increase your conversion rate by nearly 4 times compared to waiting longer. Reaching out within 5 minutes is roughly 20 times more effective than responding after 30 minutes. And if it takes more than 5 minutes, your odds of qualifying that lead drop by about 80%. The window is small, and most solo firms don't have a system to hit it consistently. There are 2 practical ways to close this gap. The first is an AI voice assistant that answers every call any time of day or night. It greets the caller in your firm's voice, collects their information, answers common questions, and can even book a consultation. No call goes unanswered. The second is missed call text back. If a call does slip through, an automated text goes out within seconds. It keeps the conversation open and gives the caller a way to respond, even if they don't want to leave a voicemail. Together, these 2 tools make sure that no lead disappears just because the phone rang at the wrong moment. If you want to see what missed calls are actually costing your firm, we've built a calculator that runs those numbers for you. You'll find the link in the description below. Or if you'd rather just talk through it, call us at 541-803-2600 or email us at info@engagedigital.com. I'm Kurt Lohman with Engage Digital Marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.